The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 220 pounds, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes!
You just have to be impressed with the form that Cody Rhodes has taken. He's become a leader, a mentor, and a main eventer.
Those are all great things to be, Saxton, but we all know what Cody truly wants to be more than anything else is a world champion. Hard times and perseverance, Cody Rhodes embodies them all.
All in the name of finishing the story that has eluded his father. Cody seems dead set on reaching the pinnacle in the name of the Rhodes family.
Saxton, sit down. Byron?
Go Rikishi, yeah!
And his opponent from the Isle of Samoa, weighing in at 425 pounds, Rikishi!
It's all fun and games right now, but Rikishi can end any opponent in mere seconds.
Once he gets that look in his eyes, he will squash any man in his path.
Is he prepared for an opponent with the family pedigree and natural talent of Cody Rhodes?
That's a great question, and luckily for us, we won't have to wait long to get the answer.
Rikishi, maybe best known for busting a move and delivering stink faces, but when he needs to, the Samoan superstar is capable of some pretty brutal attacks.
Yeah, if you look past all of Rikishi's goofy antics, you'll see a warrior who is as tough as they come. A man who fought his way through the Attitude Era and beyond, finding plenty of success along the way.
Will we get the party animal or the ferocious competitor? Maybe even a little of both.
Taking on Cody Rhodes, about as clever as they come in the squared circle, which is part of what makes him so dangerous.
You don't get a nickname like the American Nightmare for no good reason, Saxton. Cody lives up to it and then some, both when it comes to the physical and cerebral fight.
What a smash!
That is just insulting. Stomp after stomp after stomp.
That was a showing of control and aggression, something they'll want to keep up.
Bulldog brings them down. Oh, shot right to the kidney. Looking for a scoop slam, but from behind, inverted DDT connects. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Oh, this, what a headbutt. Lands a kick to the gut. Oh, impressive counter.
Oh, across the top rope.
How can an opponent even hope to topple a big man of Rikishi's unique size and physicality?
But you've got to try to leverage Rikishi's 400-plus pound frame against him. Attack his lower half constantly. The harder you make it for Rikishi to stay standing, the easier it'll be to take him down to the ground.
Thrown back in under the ropes.
Clothesline.
I don't think Rikishi was having any fun. Uh-oh!
Suicide dive.
It's like a heat-seeking missile coming at you.
And the explosion occurring ringside.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow. Oh, man.
It Rhodes' counter. And he throws the opposition back into the ring.
The American Nightmare, Cross Rhodes. Cody Rhodes just might have finished things. That's gotta be it.
2 count.
Hangs on by a thread.
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3
millimeters.
Rhodes hopes for victory dash for the time being, but you know he won't settle for long.
Saving us from having to sit through that.
Uh-oh. He must have had that scouted.
Toss down.
Crafty way to get out of harm there. Clothesline.
Rikishi is getting picked apart right now.
This is how you topple Rikishi. Well-placed attacks to try to make it hard for him to stay standing.
Oh, what a clothesline. Cody, clearly not the only one with something to prove in this fight.
A lot of power behind that one from Rikishi.
Well-placed kick. Cody's looking sluggish. Things could be winding down for him.
Springboard into the kick.
That was this
For the victory here. And he's saved by the ropes.
Some intimidation tactics from Cody Rhodes. Across the way. Oh!
Oh, using the knee.
Moves outside. What's the plan here? Russian leg sweep. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Right to the face.
My God.
Into the ring now.
Cody's taking a moment to soak it all in.
No way.
Suicide dive!
Pinpoint precision, right on target.
Scary pattern starting to form as that upper area takes more damage.
And Rhodes continuing his charge.
Rhodes is unloading offense here.
Here you go.
A pedigree.
Cody looking as dangerous as he is dashing.
And Rikishi with a counter. It is unbelievable what these athletes have been putting each other through.
Absolutely pushing each other beyond any normal human's limits.
Placed in the corner.
Headbutt by Kishi. Oh,
Rikishi
no.
getting his opponent in position.
Turn out the lights. The party is over.
Rough shaker. Cody's eyes look glazed over. Shoulders down.
He manages to kick out. What strength.
The American Nightmare able to persevere here. Absolutely incredible.
That was a golden opportunity to end things. Now he's got to hope the opportunity presents itself again.
Caught by the back of the elbow. Huge clothesline delivered. Quick thinking, managing to duck out of the way, delivers a nice back body drop. Looking. Oh, what a jarring spine buster.
He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
He takes control.
right into that turnbuckle. From the second rope.
Sunset flip!
Wow.
Looking for the victory. 2.
Digging deep for a kick out.
Almost inhuman at this point.
And a stomp to the gut, too.
We're at a vital stage in this matchup, and this audience is fully aware of it.
Yeah, they know another turning point can come at any second, and that can be the instant that ends it all. Look at this.
Suicide dive.
Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display.
Going for broke, and it pays off. A pedigree. Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Things now not going well for Rikishi.
Yeah, Rikishi needs to reassess his strategy.
Scattered it and fired back with a punch straight to the face.
Oh, man, Rikishi is a man on a mission now.
Uh-oh.
Rikishi driver. Rikishi may have put the exclamation on this one.
For the win! 2. Oh, my, that was close.
The resilience on display from Cody Rhodes is a common occurrence that never gets old.
You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just saw. That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match, well worth it.
Here is your winner, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes.
A surprisingly fast victory here tonight.
Clever is really the only word that can describe that victory.
However you want to describe it,